So you want to know how to redeem a gift card or coupon code in the Forever 21 app? Here's how you can do it under a minute. So first things first, simply go ahead and browse any thing you want to go ahead and purchase and add it to your cart. So let's just say, for example, I want to get this. And once you've added it, simply head to the checkout page. And on the checkout page, what you can do is when you click on checkout, first things first, of course, you'll need to log in. And once you've already logged in, what you can do is on the payment method option, you can simply go ahead and choose a gift card. And also you can add a discount by entering your discount code right over here. But there's also going to be a gift card option for the payment. And once you've entered or selected the gift card as the payment option, then enter the card number and then simply go ahead and click on apply. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below